Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G 6000 mAh battery, reality flow 120Hz display, and flagship 64 megapixel camera with quad camera setup, 20 megapixel in screen selfie camera, and you can see other specifications here. Shadow gray 6GB 128GB version. This is Indian retail unit from Flipkart. Reality flow 120Hz. You can also see the manufacturing date here, 12/2020, December 2020, and 6GB 128GB. MRP rupees 20,999, but I got it for 15,999. Let's unbox this. You get a compartment with SIM ejector pin. You also get the case and manual. As you can see, guys, Poco case and manual. It's a TPU case. Here the smartphone itself. I'll keep aside. You guys can see Type C, Type A to Type C cable. It actually supports 33 watt fast charging. That's the adapter. 33 watt fast charging adapter. Type A to Type C. Now let's see the smartphone itself. This is a 6.67-inch display, and you also get the quad camera setup. Even today we are not going to see 13 megapixel ultra wide is present in this camera. 64 megapixel IMX682 sensor is provided. 2 megapixel depth and macro sensor has been provided here. This is the physical fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button, volume up and down button. Here you get IR blaster and speaker grill. This is speaker grill. This is IR blaster and secondary noise cancellation mic. Here we get Type C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and again a microphone. And this is speaker grill. This side we get a SIM tool. We get here dedicated micro SD slot in this particular smartphone. This is Poco X3, guys, Indian variant with 6000 mAh battery. Huge smartphone. When it was launched, it was a huge battery, and the ultra wide angle is 13 megapixel. Even today the flagships are set to be launched with 8 megapixel ultra wide, but here we got a 13 megapixel, and this is the build quality of this smartphone. It was heavy heft. It is definitely having heft, and this is Poco X3 unboxing and overview. For similar kind of videos, subscribe to my channel.